Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 14 lesson 3 modify view. In the previous lesson we learned how to create a view and how to query a view. Here we are going to learn how to modify a view. To modify a view we can simply follow this syntax: create or replace the view, the name of the view and the column alias and you can provide a subquery here. For example, create or replace view. This is the name of the view that you want to modify, and here we can provide an alias columns for the view and this is the select statement that represent our view. Select department ID, round average salary from employees, group by department ID. So here in this example, create or replace means if the view is already exist, he will modify the view with this new structure. If the view does not exist, he will create a new view called empv underscore average sal. If the view already exists, he will replace it with the new structure specified in our create statement. So let's assume that the view already exists and this is the structure of the view. It contains two columns, department underscore ID and average underscore sal. If you run this statement, create or replace view empv average sal depth underscore ID average salary, the view will be replaced by this new structure. So as we can see, we provide two column aliases for the view. So if you run describe command again after running the create or replace statement, it retains depth underscore ID and avg underscore salary, which represent the new structure of the view. Create or replace view means if the view already exists, the view will be replaced by a new structure. If the view does not exist, he will create a new view. We can also use drop and create. We can drop the view. We can drop the view and create it again. The difference between this option and create or replace, in a drop view and create the view again, if there is any permissions assigned to the database user to access this view, these permissions will be removed after dropping the view. So after creating the view, you have to reassign these permissions again. But in create or replace view, the permissions assigned to the database users will not be removed. So in this lesson, we learned how to modify a view using create or replace a view command. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.